programmers, it's your girl Angel and welcome back to the ACM's newest video series wherein we promote continuous learning during this quarantine, the ACM Kickstarter. Last week, Brielle discussed data structures through the Rewind series. This week, I'm here for you for the first installment of Play. In Play, we'll be discussing with you the importance of having knowledge of the previous topic as well as how you can apply it through various projects. Before we get too deep into the projects, it is important to briefly discuss why a portfolio is a must-have for every programmer. As a programmer, a good resume can land you with an interview in a company, but a good portfolio may just be what you need in order to land a job. Why? Simply put, it helps you stand out. It's a good way to set yourself apart from the other candidates, as it showcases your skills, your application of skills, your personality, your brand, your goals, and your way of thinking, all of which can let the employers know that you are a good fit for their company and the job. You may have a long list of credentials in your resume, but projects in your portfolio prove that the actual depth of your skills are rightful for their company. Now, personal projects are a good way to meet up your portfolio and make it more appealing for future employers or partners. If you're still a budding programmer just looking to get started in the field, even though you may not have the experience yet, a solid, extensive portfolio may just be enough to get your foot in the door. Anyway, let's move on to our actual topic, data structures. Data structures are core concepts to virtually any programming language, and almost any project you create will utilize the data structure in some way. For one, data structures help you organize or arrange your data in such a way that they make searching through them or manipulating them much easier. And they improve problem-solving skills as a programmer to a significant extent. As a programmer, you have to know the right tools to make something run. Knowing the characteristics of one data structure in contrast with another in-depth means knowing how to choose the right tool in order to solve a given problem. The data structures can have a variety of applications ranging from simple projects like a phone book to more complex ones such as a file system. One place I would recommend starting with for projects is simple games with AI, because not only do you get to dabble with AI, you get to have the fun with it too. Besides search algorithms, some important data structures that are essential to game programming include binary search trees, stacks, and queues. In Sudoku, for example, you can try creating your own Sudoku generator as well as a solver using AI. For the grid, you can make use of your own matrix using an array, while you can make use of a binary search trees for the AI. Another game you can try is Solitaire or Spider Solitaire, which makes use of stacks and trees. Tic-tac-toe is another game you can try. All possible moves can be calculated in advance and then stored in a data structure such as a graph, which can be used to represent how the game evolves as each player takes a turn. If you're looking to make it a bit more complex, you can also try to widen the grid beyond 3x3, then use data structure like a dictionary in order to store the coordinates or positions in the board. With that said, I tried to provide with you ideas for projects, but there are tons and tons of others that you can do. As I mentioned, you're almost never not going to use data structure in a project, and knowing them well is going to be invaluable for future employers. So don't skip over data structures, specifically if you're just getting started in programming. So that's all we have it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed and were able to learn something new during this episode of Play. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next week with another installment of Rewind. Bye! Happy programming!